Salsa Queen, and today we have a guest, and this is Kaylin.
Hey there!
What's your name on Instagram?
Among the Youngs.
Among the Young?
Among the Youngs, yes.
Why?
When you come to my site, you are among friends. So Among the Young, my last name is Young. When you come to my site,
Oh, I like that. And I like that you dance, right?
Oh, yeah.
You do some really cool moves.
stop me.
Okay, so I saw this recipe on your page and I was like, oh my gosh, this looks like amazing. I have to make it. So I asked her, why don't you come and cook with me and make this delicious dish? Is a little bit
she made it better. She's trying to be really modest about it. She's like, how can I make this better than what she did?
That was easy. Just kidding. No. I didn't try her, so I can't say that. But anyway, this is going to be amazing. It's super easy. And you need only a few very healthy ingredients, which is some sausage, some jalapenos, the little baked potatoes. They're not little baked potatoes. You cannot do a baked potato with these. But the little potatoes, bell peppers to give some color, and I found these awesome onions that I want to bite into it, some corn, a little bit of Cajun, seasoning, shrimp, and the agave, and the most important, our red chili.
Obviously.
Yes. So anyway, why don't you start cutting the sausage right there?
Yes.
So she's going to be cutting the sausages there while I trim here the bell pepper. And you can add any vegetable you want in there. You know, if you want carrots, what else?
Oh, carrots. Well, you do need to remember that you had to cook the potatoes first, and you need to cook the corn first. So if you want to branch out, that's fine, but just be mindful, like, oh, do I need to cook those carrots first?
Yes, because I made this the other day and I didn't cook the potatoes and the corn first, and oh boy, I was there for a surprise. So I had to pull everything out, let the corn and the potatoes cook. So yes, make sure to cook that first. And then you're just gonna cut everything in slices. These little onions are super cute. I really like them. They're a little bit tricky to cut and to peel, but I know, right? When I saw them doing one, like, that looks like a massive garlic. But the guy was like, no, they're onions. So I'm like, okay, I trust you. You work in produce, so I have no choice. Hey, make sure that when you cut your jalapenos and you're seating them, make sure to wash your hands really good, otherwise you're gonna suffer.
Next time you wipe your eye, you will remember.
Your eye, or you go to the bathroom and wipe something else, right? It's like you don't want that burn. No. Look at these. Aren't these super cute?
I wish they were garlics.
I know. That's what I thought. I'm like, that would be amazing.
That's what I was missing in my original recipe. Just big old fatty.
And you know what I was thinking too? Some
Scallions? Like green?
Yeah. No.
Shallots?
No.
Scallops.
No.
Oh.
No.
We're just gonna keep guessing.
You know the little ones that they look like cabbage? But they're not cabbage.
Brussels sprouts?
Brussels sprouts. Oh. I think some Brussels sprouts here would be really good too.
I love Brussels sprouts.
Yes.
So much.
And if you want, you can cut the potatoes or not. But like I said, cook them first, okay? Boil them first. Otherwise, you're gonna have raw potatoes in your dish, and you don't want that. Right there. Look at this. Isn't this healthy?
It's beautiful.
Tell me.
Look at I like that you did colorful potatoes too, because that adds more color.
Well, as you know, right, I'm colorblind, so I really need those colors so I can be like, my mouth is watering actually. Do you cut some of those?
Oh, no.
You want to? Or not?
I was just like...
Actually, these sausage that we cut first, these are the apple...
The apple ones.
Apple ones. And these ones are jalapeno cheddar. Ay.
Seriously.
Have you guys cooked any Cajun food before?
It was actually the first time that we had bought, what seasoning was it? Old Bay. We didn't know what Old Bay seasoning was, and turns out it's delicious.
It is, huh? It adds a lot of different flavors. It's really good. Anyway, so if you haven't made Cajun dish, I suggest for you to make this tonight. because it's so good.
It's so easy.
So easy.
I mean,
yeah,
boil
easy.
a few things, but then everything else just goes in the oven. It's just, oh no, corn gone. Even my husband's
He's
like,
alive.
why have we not done this before? It was so easy.
I know, look at that.
Hold on.
And then we're gonna open our red chili. Jeff, do you like the red chili?
I do.
Yeah, look at this.
How could
So
you
good.
not like that? Look at those colors.
We're gonna pour half of the container here.
Would this also work with maybe your tomatillo?
Yeah, with anything you want.
Like
We're gonna
queso.
put a little bit Cajun.
Yum.
Dinner in a box.
Wait for it.
Yeah.
Gotta add this.
Oh yeah.
Hold on. There we go.
And then we're gonna add, so we can have those flavors that they're like sweet and spicy and savory.
How much should we do?
Keep going.
Keep going.
And I put some in my mouth. Okay, enough.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
You're getting too excited right there. Okay, now shake it out.
Okay, that is closed all the way, right?
Yes.
I've done that before. Who did that? Not me.
Oh, and I forgot something. I'll be back.
I'll just stand here shaking the back.
My exercise of the day. So,
And I'm lazy, so I put tinfoil down because I don't have to clean that pan later.
I know I have a really dirty one here that I have to wash, so I should have done that.
Laziness wins.
Yes. Oh my gosh, we forgot a shrimp.
Fudge.
It's okay.
Fudge.
Okay.
Okay, but look, there's only half.
Okay,
There's
there
only
you
half.
go.
Okay, we're good. We're good. Okay.
One more.
Okay.
Uno más.
We gotta do the shrimp. That's the star.
I know, shrimp.
What were we thinking?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
I'm gonna say we can maybe stir in a couple more underneath there,
You know, if
or just.
I can maybe drizzle some on top.
Okay.
How's that?
Okay. We can't not have shrimp. Oh gosh, those jalapenos in there too are just gonna.
Oh my gosh, look at
Get
this.
that in there.
Oh yeah, the shrimp.
The onions. Look how colorful that is.
Oh, so pretty. Ooh, who's hungry?
Yeah.
Hungry. We're gonna drizzle some right here. How's that?
This pleases me
Yes.
very much.
It pleases the eye, it pleases the belly. Okay, so now we're gonna put it in the oven for how long?
Until it's done.
Oh, this looks like freaking amazing. Okay, well, let's take it to the oven.
You do that. I'm just gonna.
Salsa and chips.
I'm gonna say we're back. There was no warning.
Okay, guys, and just like that, this is ready to eat. Look at this. Come here. Come and look at this. This is like amazing. Look at the shrimp. Oh yes.
Trying to decide
Which piece should I get?
What do I want in my mouth?
Look at the jalapenos. Oh yeah. I think Jeff is gonna have a bite of this one. Huh, Jeff?
That onion's calling my name.
Don't call my name. What? Okay.
Dip it
So
in that.
we can dip it now in your favorite salsa, which it can be the queso chipotle or the creamy jalapeno. Let's do this.
That's never gonna get old.
Creamy. Let's see.
The jalapeno.
I like to eat better with my hands. We have other friend here.
That's so spicy, and I.
Oh my gosh.
Hold on.
Isn't that amazing? Come in!
Edit that out.
So what do you think?
Yours is better than mine.
Are you gonna make this at home?
Yeah, but it'll just be for me and my husband.
Some
Kids
of the
won't eat this.
salsa. Oh yeah.
It's gonna be too
Oh.
spicy. Oh man, what do I want? See the queso. Oh, the queso is so beautiful. Okay. Oh.
I want a potato. So make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And if you guys want me to make any other recipes, let me know. And if you want to come and cook with me, let me know too. Did you have fun?
Oh,
Was
yeah.
it yummy?
10 out of 10 recommend.
Oh yes. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining us with Cooking with Salsa Queen.